Okay, so let's do our drawing number 4. So again, in this drawing we need to know the starting point. So usually all the starting point in every drawing, it's the circle. In this case again it's a circle. For example, if we draw this circle, these are not one circle. Again, these are two circles, like this circle with 35 radius, and this one is 20. Then after that we can draw this straight line from here, which is 60 till here, and we can draw all these lines after that. So let's start with the circle. One is 20 radius and one is 35. So we will go here and we will draw a radius, not diameter, radius. Be careful guys, like you need to know which how can I say command you are choosing, otherwise your diagram will be not correct. So this one we choose the radius and it's 20 and 35. We put 20 and again we choose the circle with radius and it's 35, right? Now this figure is bigger than all of the others, so it will look really weird, but anyway, it's for the practice. So now next what we need to do, as we know this dimension from this point to this line it's 60, right? So we will draw this dimension from here to here, 60. And now this line we already have. We need to draw this 70 line, right? So we have this center point. It's mean if we draw 35 this side and 35 this side, we will draw this 70 line, right? So what we need to do, we will draw 35 right side, 35, and again 35 left side, and then we will go and simply connect here and simply connect here. So the outside has been finished. Now we need to draw this rectangle inside this geometry. So for that, first we need to draw 15 line from the bottom line, like 15, right? So we will delete this line if you want, or if you want to keep, you can keep it, but we have to draw 15. Okay, so this line we draw. Now we have this dimension like 50, so 15 draw, it's mean we draw exactly from the center point, right? So it should be 25 here and 25 here, and then 15 in the top, like upward vertical direction. So 25, 25 and 15. We go to the line, we draw 25, or let's go 15 like this, and the total one is how much? 15, 50, 15, and then final. It's 50, 15, and final. So that's it. That's our, how can I say, our figure. It's very easy. Once you know how to draw, it's very easy. Now what we need to do, we need to draw or trim, like trim some lines. For example, this one we need to trim. So again we go to trim, click on trim and press enter, delete, delete and delete. There you go. We have our final diagram. So again we have to put the dimension, and dimension, the circle or radius, so we will go to the radius, choose this one, and then we will go to simple lines because other are in lines. This one is line, this one is 50 as we remember, this one is 15, and this one is also 15 from here to here, and this one is 5 from here to here. So that's it. Not 5, 10, sorry, this one is 10, and this total is 60, means from here to this point, to the center point, it's 60. What? We did something wrong, it's not coming 60. What's this mean? We'll delete this one by simply deleting. Choose this point, shit, this point and straight this point, so it should be 60. Yeah, last time we choose another point, not the exact center point. So there you go. It's your, how can I say, your 4 number drawing. Now the last one, it's more interesting, so it will be fun to do this one. This one, as you can see, there are 2 sides, and both sides has the circle, and this how can I say, 1 2 3 4 5 pentagon, no 6 hexagonal shape like hexagon, and this one is pentagon, 5 side. So this will be interesting. So this one we can start from either this side or this side. So let's do from this side. Like we will draw this circle, and then we will draw this line and draw this circle. First of all, let's draw this 129 line, right? So let's go here, let's go down. We will draw 129 line straight. After that, what we need to do, we need to draw this circle first, and then inside it's a pentagon and this hexagon. So this one is R20. We will go to radius here, and we will go to 20, this circle. And the next we have this pentagon, right? How to draw this one? This one is also really easy. You go to where is that? Come on, why am I missing that one? What? Yeah, okay. You can choose from here this command. You can see polygon, right? You can give many edges as you want. So in rectangle command, like you can go to polygon and you just click. First they are asking how many number of sides you want, right? So first you need to put 5. We put 5 and enter. So it's mean we can draw 5 edges polygon now. So you just click here, and they're asking inscribe circle or circumscribe. So these are 2 different command. Inscribe mean, I will explain later. Inscribe mean, I think it's inside the circle. The polygon will be drawn inside the circle. For example, if you are drawing the polygon here with this circle dimension, if it's inscribed mean the polygon will draw inside the circle. For example, its edges will go from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. But if it's outside the circle, it's mean the polygon will be how can I say, from here to here. For example, from here to here, like it will be outside. So we need the, for example, if we see it's I think it's outside, so we will choose the outside, and we will put the dimension. How much is it? It's 15. So we will put 15 simply. I think it's not inside, it's out. It's not outside, it's inside, because it's coming very big. Outside is coming this because the circle they are considering, my meaning is if it's inscribed, the circle will be like this. The pentagon, it's outside, right? You can see clearly. But if it's inscribed, the pentagon will be inside the circle like this. So this is the difference. So again we have to go here, polygon, we need to give the edges, which is 5, and we need to choose the this one, and we need to choose the inscribe, and then we have to put the 15. So now we get the exact one.